2.5 Review of previous study. Summarize key findings from past research in the context of your study. Critically evaluate previous studies and identify gaps in the literature. So how to review the previous study? The first step is to identify relevant study. Begin by identifying relevant study that have investigated your research topic. This may involve conducting a thorough search of academic database, journals, books, and other scholarly sources. Second step is to organize the literature. Organize the literature into thematic categories or subtopics based on common themes, research questions, or methodologies. This will help you structure your literature review and identify key findings within each category. Third step is to synthesize the findings. Summarize the key findings from each study within your thematic categories. Focus on identifying the main results, conclusions, and implications of each study. Highlight any patterns, trends, or consistencies that emerge across multiple studies. Fourth step is to compare and contrast studies. Compare and contrast the finding of different studies within each thematic category. Identify areas of agreement, disagreement, or inconsistency among the findings. Discuss possible reasons for any discrepancies and consider how they contribute to our understanding of the research topic. The fifth step is to evaluate the strengths and limitations. Evaluate the strengths and limitations of the studies reviewed. Consider factors such as the study design, sample size, methodology, data analysis techniques, and generalizability of findings. Discuss how these factors may impact the validity and reliability of the findings. Sixth step is to highlight gaps in the literature. Identify any gaps or areas where further research is needed based on the findings of past studies. Discuss unanswered questions, contradictions, or areas that have received limited attention in the literature. Consider how your own research aims to address these gaps and contribute to the existing body of knowledge. Moving on to the next step, provide a summary of key findings. Summarize the main findings across all thematic categories. Highlight the most significant or noteworthy findings that have emerged from the literature review. Emphasize the contributions of past research to our understanding of the research topic and the implications for future research. And the last step is to conclude with implications. Conclude your literature review by discussing the broader implications of the key findings for theory, practice, and policy. Consider how the findings contribute to theoretical frameworks, inform practical interventions, or have implications for policy development. Discuss the importance of building upon past research to advance knowledge in the field.